Hello guys, my name is Ganan and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have come here along with a story, and after this story I will ask question and reply by myself so that I can achieve my fluency. So let's get started. So there was a girl named Richa. One day Richa got up early in the morning, got dressed, and she got dressed. And after taking breakfast, she went to college with great panache. Having reached the college, she met her friends. And while talking to her friends, she revealed that I want to join an English institute because I want to learn English language. So one of her friends said, "Yes, I know a boy who knows about an English institute. He will definitely take you to there." So Richa said, "Okay, where that boy is?" Then that girl, her friend indicated her that, "Look at that mango tree. That boy is sitting under the tree wearing black shirt." So then Richa went to that boy and she said, "Hello, my name is Richa. One of my friends sent me to you and she said, you know, English Institute. So I want to learn English language. So could you please take me to there?" Then the boy said, "Yes, I will definitely take you to there, but you will have to take a cup of tea." So Richa agreed. They both went to nearby cafeteria. From there, they had coffee. And after that, that boy, on the pretext of taking her to English Institute, he took her to a disco. And in the disco, the girl didn't say anything. Then she came back to home. And next day, when she went to college, then she complained to her principal against that boy. That boy was called and he was reprimanded a lot in front of so many students. When the principal was on the verge of restigating him, then the Richa felt pity for him and she said, "Okay, sir, this time leave him, and if he do again, so you can restigate him." Then principal said, "Okay." Then the boy also uh, ashamed himself. He said he said, "Sorry, I will not do again this." And after that, everything got normal. So this is the story. This is a small story which I created. Now I am going to ask question and reply so that you can also do same. So what was the name of that girl? The name of that girl was Richa. Okay. So what happened that day when she went to college? Well, when she went to college, she met her friends and she revealed that I want to join English Institute. Why did she want to join English Institute? She wanted to join English Institute because she wanted to learn English language. So who took her to English Institute? Actually, her friend, suggested her that I know a boy who know a English Institute. Okay, so did her friend take her to that boy? No, her friend didn't take her to that boy, but she indicated her that boy is sitting there. So did Richa go there? Yeah, Richa went there and she met that boy. So what did that boy say? Well, that boy said, "Yes, I know that institute, but I will definitely take you to there. But on the pretext, but you have to take a cup of tea." Okay. So what did Richa said? Well, Richa said, "Okay, I can take a cup of coffee with you." Okay, so did they go cafeteria? Yeah, they went to cafeteria. They had coffee. After that, where did that boy take her to? Well, after that, that boy took her to a disco. why did he take her to disco? He promised that uh, he he would take her to English Institute. Yeah, because that boy was not good. He was very pugnacious and lecherous guy. That's why he did this. Oh God. So what did that girl? What did Richard do? Well, Richard didn't say anything to at that point. But next day, when she went to college, she complained against that boy. Okay, she complained. She complained against that boy. So what happened with that boy? Well, that boy was called in front of so many students and he was reprimanded. Okay. So did that boy rusticate from the college? No, he he was not rusticate rusticated because when the principal was about to when the principal was about to rusticate him, then the Richa felt pity for him and she requested principal not to rusticate him. Okay, so what did happen after that? After that, that boy felt ashamed himself and he apologized and he said, I'm so, I'm so, I'm so ashamed, so please forgive me. I will never ever do this." Then the girl, you know, forgive him. Okay, so as you saw that I just created an story and I just asked so many questions and reply by myself. And I'm not whiz at in it. I'm not whiz at making a story. I just whatever I just thinking in my mind, I just create. So you can definitely do same if you want to become fluent in English. After watching whatever you just observe and you just listen, after that you just try to speak by yourself. If you speak, you will definitely achieve your fluency, guys. So thank you so much, everyone. I will come again along with a story. So until then, you just keep practicing by yourself. Thank you so much, everyone.